Hey, quickie cooking with Judd here because I'm trying something new. This is a butterflied pork chop, maybe 3/4 of an inch thick, maybe a little thicker than that. I'm going to make a foil envelope for it. I've rubbed it down with salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar and oil, and I'm going to cook it at 200 for an hour and see what that does to it. Good looking piece of meat, but they're coming out tasteless. I want some taste. So there's my foil envelope. I'm going to put that on the pan. Boom, boom, boom. Oven has been preheated to 200, and we're going to put that in there for an hour. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay, it's been an hour. It just chimed. I'm going to pull it out and take its temperature. A little bit under 140. We want 145, so I'm going to put it back in for another 15. Okay, another 15 minutes, and let's see what we got. Okay, good. Got 145. And now we will let that set for 3 minutes. Okay, there it is unwrapped. And not very browned, but it sure is moist. Look at that baby. That is just soaked clean through to the skin. Okay. So, I'm going to let that sit in the juices a little bit longer. Maybe flip it over. Yeah. Let that sit there another minute and just soak up some of them juices. Been another 3 minutes. I'll pull that out there. And what we're hoping for is nice and tender and tasty and moist, which we have not had with a pork chop. Good. Very tender. Very moist. The oil is coming through a little too much though. So I left the oil off. Got some taste to it. Pretty good. I'll give that a pass. In fact, actually, I'd say that's probably the most successful pork chop I've had. You know, except when my mother used to cook. She could cook good. Okay, all done, and that was good, but there's still something, I don't know what it is, but the pork needs something to kick it up, give it some taste, some flavor. That was tender and juicy and everything, and that was good. That worked well, but it's still such a bland taste. And I don't know what to do about that. It needs something in there to shake it up. So there you go. I can't do shake and bake. I think that's what my mother used to do. I think that's why hers was so good. It was basically flavored bread with some meat. Any suggestions? Let me know. Thank you. Happy day to you.